It's a perfect situation.
Those 5 chickens, there is now 8 wide mouth pint jars in my pressure canner, coming up to temp of ugly chicken. I have here 2 portions, that's 5 chicken legs, chicken drumsticks in each. I've got 3 chicken breasts, 1 pack of chicken wings, that's 10 wings in total, and 2 packs of diced chicken. So here is the meat components for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 meals and 8 jars. So that's 16, the meat component for 16 meals from 5 chickens. Plus I've got skin for cooking up for Mason for a couple of days, and I've got the bones that I'm going to make stock from. That'll keep me going for a bit. And more of an update on those chickens. I've got 5 chicken carcasses in my large crock pot, and 1 that was previously cooked and frozen. So I've got 6 in there, and they're just going to boil away overnight to make some chicken stock. There's 8 wide mouth jars of chicken, together with 9 pint jars of pinto beans and 8 pint jars of ground meat, mincemeat, for us. So that's 25 jars of canning. Those chicken carcasses, 5 of them, together with 1 that was in the freezer, I cooked down overnight in the slow cooker, put them, took out all the bones and everything else, sieved it through and left it in the bottom of the fridge overnight. And you can see how the fat collects on the top, so you can scrape it off. Not sure what to use that fat for, but scrape it off and then heat it up and can it. You can now see I've got all the fat, and it's just like jelly, thick jelly. There are the meat particles, small pieces, but they'll go in the canning jars. It's just like thick jelly. 7 jars of chicken stock recently out the canner and cooling down now, and they will be going on my shelves. Bye!
It's a perfect